welcome back to my channel. So today I was gonna do something different and do take it off my makeup kind of thing, like my routine, what I do, how I take off my makeup, what I do after I take off my makeup. I'm not so big on skincare. If you know me, like you're close to me, you know why. Like, short story long, or long story short, I'm lazy as fuck, so that's why. And but I'm trying to get better. I'm trying to actually take care of my skin because I know I'm gonna regret it in the future when I'm older. And yeah, so anyways, yeah, so keep watching if you want to know how I take off my makeup. It's nothing too crazy, but just keep watching. Okay, so I'm gonna start off by getting a clean makeup wipe. Ta-da! Now this one has some moisture, so I could just like wipe it off, but I like to use, shake it up, Garnier Skin Active micellar, whatever, argan oil. I like to use this because it removes my makeup, and it's like, it just removes it a lot easier, you know. And normally I use I usually use something else to take off my makeup, but I'm trying to like actually use everything that I have instead of just one product. So I use this and it smells really good, and it's like not oily, like not a bad oil, but it kind of like seems oily where I feel like it moisturizes my skin, if that makes sense, which is, I don't know if that makes sense, but yeah, it makes sense to me, so I use it like that. Okay, so I just pour it on. Oh, fuck. So I just pour it on here. Sorry. Not you, my dog. I kicked him. And I just do around my face. I leave my lips lashed because I know sometimes when you like do your lip, it's like everywhere. And I'd rather not put that on top of everything. I usually go in circular motions, like going upwards, not downwards, because I'm not pulling my skin, you know? Oh my god. Seriously? Where the fuck is this fly? I'm not going crazy. My dogs have been chasing this fly, and so have I for the, well, my dogs have been for the last hour and a half, and I've been doing it for the last like 20 to 30 minutes, like just whipping my leggings and trying to like smack it because I don't have like a fly catcher or like a fly swapper, swatter, whatever it's called, swapper. Alrighty, so for the most part, makeup's off. Now to the lips. I do the same thing. Put some micellar whatever water. Just go in circular motions. And that's done. Honestly, my hair is so messy, whatever. I don't even care. Okay, now I cleaned my room, so I don't know where everything is yet. Okay, whatever. I guess I kind of forgot a step. I go in my little thingy of brushes and I try to find the one that has a spoolie. I swear I saw you today. What the hell? Where'd you go? There it is. Okay. So I do have like fake eyelash extensions on that I did myself. And I put mascara on them, so then they're more dramatic. So I just get my spoolie, like so, and I put it in coconut oil. Do this if you want. Normally if you have eyelash extensions, they probably recommend you not to because it is an oil-based substance and it will probably remove your eyelashes, but I don't care because I did these myself. And I just, with the coconut oil and the spoolie, I just kind of like comb through my eyelashes. Trying to take off like the mascara and just any pieces that aren't fully on. So So just do that. Same with the other side. Okay, that's done, or whatever, and I just kind of, I can either leave it for the night, maybe soak it into my real eyelashes and like moisturize that. I don't know, but I'm just gonna wipe off with this cloth. I feel like there's something in my eye. Oh yeah, there is. Hold on, it's like in my eyeball. Don't try this at home. Oh my god. I'm tearing up and I'm itching. This was in my eye. I don't even know if you can focus. I don't even know if my camera's doing it, but it's like this long, give or take. Dog hair, probably. Alright, so after that, I get my coconut oil. Yes. And I just dip my hands in and I just put it on my face. So I use coconut oil pretty much like what I said. I didn't say it before because I wanted to say it now. I use coconut oil to remove my makeup, to moisturize my lips, to or exfoliate them by adding some sugar and stuff and honey. I use it for my eyebrows. I feel like they help grow. I don't know why. Similar to like castor oil, because I know there's like remedies where they're like, oh, mix coconut oil with castor oil and like vitamin C or something and put that on their eyelashes and it'll like really make the hair growth like super fast. Hair grows super fast, I guess. But so I do put it everywhere. I use it for everything. I use it for cooking. That's why I have such a big tub. I use it for like literally anything you can think of. My hair, my makeup remover, my moisturizer, fucking TMI, but lube. So if your girl really you know, needing it ready. So I put it all over my skin as a moisturizer, or sometimes if it's just really dry I put it on almost as a base, and then I use primer and then I do my makeup. Honestly, I just use it all the time, anytime, anywhere, any place, like any part of my body. Alright, so I'm all lubed up. So I also use, I don't know where it is right now, but I do have like a lip exfoliator that I would put on. This is just a lip balm, but I can also use coconut oil. It's fucking fly. Fuck. Normally I would wash my face with something, but I'm not because I'm gonna go to bed. And I already removed my makeup pretty good. So my next step is gonna be this Pure Lisse Blue Lotus 4-in-1 I Adore serum. I don't know. So it says intensive hydration plus firms plus brightens plus decreases puffiness, all skin types. I think I got this. I might have gotten this as like a Sephora thing, but I've been using it and it's lasting because I only put this much on, like a little squirt, and I put it underneath my eye or kind of around it. Maybe you're only supposed to put it underneath your eye, but I put it kind of on my eyelids too, and like in the inner corner. I try not to get too close to my eye, just in case it burns, or like I don't even know, but I do like a little triangle. Okay, so my camera totally like died on me, but what I was saying was with this thing, I just put it underneath my eyes like in a triangle like this, and yeah, that's pretty much my skincare. I don't do that much. I realistically only need one ingredient, and I'm not even gonna bother faking it, trying to be all fancy, saying that I use this and that and like this is my routine and I have a 5-step skincare routine, blah blah blah. I definitely don't have that. I want to, but I don't have it right now, so obviously when I do that I will make a video, an updated video. But yeah, I'm just not gonna sit around here saying I use a cleanser and then I use like this foaming thing and then I exfoliate and then I moisturize. Like, I'm not gonna say that I do that, because realistically all I use is coconut oil. So no shame, whatever, it works for me. I don't have bad skin or anything. I've been really lucky. I'm not overly oily or dry or pasty, I don't even know. Yeah, I'm just really lucky I don't have that issue, so everything's been working for me so far. I definitely do recommend coconut oil though as like a day-to-day thing, whether you want to put it for your hair, your makeup, your cooking, your moisturizer, like anything. Like there's so many benefits to it, so I definitely recommend that. And yeah, that's everything, guys. So I hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.